take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
This is a different starting lineup for the Pangasinan Heatwaves, while Ilagan, Gerson Cabiltes. Vic Manuel, the muscle man, trying to go for his first basket there, and he opens up the scoring festivity, first loss of the season.
That's a mismatch right there.
Alan Mina falls away, jumper short. Oh, but he gets the lucky bounce.
Well, it's very important also for Coach Louis' team na
Komodo Dragon Mike Mabulak hands it off to Galanza. Shot is good from the outside. Galing kay Bong Galanza. They go to Galliano. Nice ball movement here for the Cowboys. It ends up in a miss. Cotonilla sees Manuel cutting to the middle, and Vic Manuel.
Vic Manuel understands that. Two guys went outside, leaving that entire lane for Vic Manuel transition defense. Another one right here.
Oh,
Clear
Melencio turns it over. Really is the thing that
just about athleticism. It's about commitment. It's about conditioning.
De La Cruz goes. Galanza off the two screens. They don't get it to him. They go to Manuel. Vic Manuel.
It's right there. You see the footwork right here. Off, with the right foot.
Game against Bulacan. Santos is left wide open by Vic Manuel, and Alex loses the basketball. Manuel trying to outrun Kitevis. Manuel couldn't.
He's not called muscle man for nothing.
Hit by Gianna.
And you like that he's
Olegario.
That's good.
A little bit bounce. Lamang dyan ang Cowboys. James Bautista, awkward looking shot there. Flores, 6 the first. Ako sana eh.
Oo.
Sa exam, gusto ko magpa-exempt, pero Flores, he exempts himself from extending his total in this game. Against the smaller James Bautista. Footwork! Art De La Cruz just could not
win. He's trying to make himself smaller so that, he runs alongside Olega.
By 4 points. De La Cruz is 2 out of 5 from the free throw line. Dario looking inside, errant pass picked up by De Gregorio. 8 seconds left. Mike DG score.
Find him.
Art De La Cruz was well defended there by Mike De Gregorio. Mark Dyke
Run out, especially on long closeouts.
LGR's talagang maipakita niya yung full extent.
A possibility. What a pass.
Jory Napoles in the game for the first time. Oh, the line for the bonus. 3-point play
Intense
Bakit
yung
naman hindi?
competition, di ba?
Always.
There you go.
Appliances.
See that? Give him enough space to rise up and take the shot. Art is so much taller.
Art drives to his strong side, kicks it to the corner. Dyke, he has that shot.
Yeah.
Dyke swishes it through.
There was a game where
Given space, he will not take the 3. Hands it off instead to Gia. 5 on the shot clock. Galliano has to take it, and he makes it. Josh Galliano from the outside.
So far
had that ball tapped from behind. Robin pushing and pushing. Robin will score.
When you incorporate that make threes para for Vic Manuel, that's gonna be big.
Bongalanza goes inside. Bongalanza off the bank. Cowboys. Galanza though breaks free. Galanza short on the layup this time.
Oh man.
Mabulak right there. Robin gets a drag screen from Mike. Robin. Floater is up. Bong has the good switching on to him. Oh, Mabulak couldn't finish. Napaganda pa para kay Mike Mabulak. Gets his own miss and puts it right back in.
But he's signaling to Bong, you gotta take that shot. Kasi pag pinasok mo sa loob, mas nahihirapan ako. Tumira ka na lang sa labas, di ba? We have a good Buanga last season.
De La Cruz from beyond the arc. Yes, sir. Art De La Cruz for 3.
Staying true.
Vic loses it. Able to save it to Robin. Robin misses, but Mabulak is there again for the offensive rebound. Another.
Inside. I see that. He got that ball. McCoy Marcos was a little bit late.
Go to Dyke. McCoy Marcos now with the rock. Dyke has it again.
Oh, man.
Dyke 6. I don't think that's going to happen here. Mabulak still has it.
Gotta take it. And they lose the 2-for-1 now.
Mabulak inside. Oh, making mincemeat of the defense. defense of Art De La Cruz.
Vic Manuel also spoke to the guards of their team. Sabi niya na na-scout na sila ng kalaban, lalo na siya at Iba Bulak for this.
To get another three-point play opportunity. And take the lead here with a 3 for Pangasinan. They go once again inside to the Komodo Dragon. We saw when he was with Nueva Ecija.
Agree.
Really big reason why they won that title a few years ago. De La Cruz, though, breaking with the rock. Robin to the corner they go. Gabo for 3. Yes, sir! Fresh 14 to work with here para sa Cowboys. De La Cruz looks inside to Mina. Mina, turnaround jump. Take him to the post. Giab still backing down. Mike Mabulak able to draw official outfitter here in the MPBL.
And then Josh Giab, a reason why he's here. And you just love to play.
With the basketball. Mabulak inside to Manuel. Vic off the gap.
Action where you have one of your bigs rising.
Ooh. Allen Mina. For the Cowboys. Jory Napores to Gabo. Gabo.
Good kick.
Extra pass to Ralph Robin. And for the Heat Waves. Mina. Couldn't get 3 back. Galliano. Gives up a pass to Art De La Cruz.
You can celebrate towards your teammates and your bench, but not towards your opponents. But he just loved that finish. I mean,
Dito sa Ilagan Isabela Cowboys. Esed Gabo speeding into the front court and
pushing the pace and finishing it off. This season, the hope, the one who's struggling.
Justin Esed Gabo. And also that
To bring along him, si Alan Santos.
this free throw is brought to you by Extreme Appliance.
Vic Manuel, and I'd like to think, Vic Manuel would be faster to
Galliano gets the lead pass, has Manuel in front of him. Cannot score.
jump on who? Who went into whoever's Sicilian. Vic, there was contact, definitely.
We'd like to greet
Guy. For him to transition on the defensive side, it shows you the credibility of, how much the coaching staff of Coach Louie has.
59 to 57. Pangasinan down by a basket, but now Gab Gomez makes it a 2 possession.
Coach Louie's team is going to run into that passing lane.
Vic Manuel spins into trouble. Misses by the muscle man. Manuel falls to the ground, recovers. Gabo got hit. Gabo knocks down in high school. It was only a matter of time before. Under 2 minutes to play here in the third.
Ooh.
Santos throws it away. Gabo picks it up. Gabo gets the 2 point.
See that pass right there, miscommunication. I don't think that was the pass that they wanted to end up with. I feel
At the start of this game, Giab trying to get past.
from Alan, but Alan read that differently.
Giab gets the
Side as well, not just on the defense. Back in Muntasal by McCoy.
Wow. Gets it inside, plus the foul.
I would have hugged Oligario on that pass. Look at that. Past the defense and straight to the hands of Mark Dyke. What a pass.
Lervin Flores was slow to get
Gotta
well
come back.
deserved
Yeah.
as well.
Right. Well deserved too.
Dyke. JR attacking the middle. Again, manufacturing a shot inside the paint. JR that would like to call it. Galing kay JR Oligario. Fontanilla gets inside and gets the roll on the shot. Both teams. Sizing up the defense of Dyke. Goes inside. The Gregorio hacked there by Mark.
Him to get that first step and an attempt for that layup.
5 points. First pass at Mabulak still was able to catch it. Galanza hacked there by Sant. We're gonna get some clarifications from our referees later on. With 6 points, 2 out of 7 from the field tonight. From the field. Usually that's what a shooter Pangasinan tries to perhaps maintain this advantage. Oligario though would want to tie things up, and he does.
Bench. It's got to be 3.
All right.
Then that's the time that you eject the head coach.
Dyke Leaves it for Giab. Quick spin to
Oh,
the baseline.
wow.
Nakawala sa depensa.
For the heat waves, and so he got beat. Ooh, nice backdoor.
And Mabulak scores once again, plus the foul.
Ni Mike Mabulak right here. When he came back, immediately went to work. And this time around, he's been milking that. He feels a mismatch with Mark Dyke underneath to flex on that move.
19. Marcos loses it. Galanza completes the steal. De Gregorio is ahead. Oh, De Gregorio will no numbers for Pangasinan. De Gregorio will still go at it. Forces the issue there. That results in the miss, but Hesed Gabo perfectly. And there was contact, but no whistle was blown. Giab chases the loose ball and gets it into the miss. Three-pointer, no. Offensive rebound here. Oh, Alan Santos.
Actions.
Alan Mina, specialty of the house. Way off the mark.
And collectively, Ilagan's got to do that now in the absence of Art.
Gomez, he's missed his
Oh,
last
man.
two. But he will not hesitate on this one. He knocks it down. Gab Gomez right there. Alan Mina. And then Alan Santos handing it over to Gab Gomez, unfazed by the last misses. Santos pulls it back out. Dyke, 18-footer.
Oh, that's gonna be
Air
short.
ball. Santos is there. Scores on the reverse.
It's the role players that's taking this game for Ilagan.
Alan Santos, 8 points in the game, and the Cowboys get a steal. Alan Mina, this could be big. Alan Mina knocks down the three-point shot. The Cowboys up by 8.
Offense.
The handoff from J.R. Olegario. Alan Mina rose up and knocked down that three-point shot. This is a horrible miss. Gotta get Mark Dyke, but the hustle play coming from Alan Santos. Run. Pardon me, I said 5 before the break. As we now enter the twilight zone, the final 2 minutes of this one. Johnny Napoles, though, off the timeout. Big shot. Check para sa kanya. The Heat Waves go forward to Gabo. The bounce pass to the trailing Michael Mabulak. Hesed Gabo setting up his buddy Michael Mabulak. Bulak. Galanza, catch and fire. Short. Giab there. Foul.
Manuel, but he did not. Because looking at the personnel on the floor,
7 out of 9 from the free throw line. A minute and 8 seconds remaining in this game. It gives it up to Gabo. Pangasinan goes to Mike Mabulak. Mabulak shifting for 3. No. Fontanilla gets it back. Fontanilla nowhere to go. Fontanilla puts it up and gets the bounce. 2 points para kay Josh Fontanilla. Chance here. 3-second differential between shot clock and game clock. De Gregorio goes to the corner. Galanza knocks down the three-point shot. 94 to 92. But here, the Cowboys, hindi nila nailagan itong three-point shot ni Bong Galanza.
but I mean, you have your two best shoots.
14 on the shot clock here for the Cowboys. Santos against Jay Collado. The handoff to Alan Mina. Mina finds Giab, and Giab will score! We're all tied up at 94!
No help could come. And so Alan hands it off to Allen, goes on the baseline, beats Jay, and then finds Josh for that finish.
And what was more impressive, Coach, was the amount of time that they did it.
Right.
Ang bilis.
Yeah, right.
No timeout called. De Gregorio has the basketball against Josh Giab. De Gregorio finds Mabulak, and Mabulak gets the 2 points. 96 to 94.
Oh, wow.
1 second left. No timeout for the Cowboys. The heat for Mina. And that's gonna do it. The Heat Waves.
Sabi nga ni Coach Gerson that it's going to be a very physical game but you have to maintain your composure. Paano mo na-maintain yung composure mo? Lalo na the last few seconds of the game when you took that shot.
Unang-una, kita naman na talagang hats off sa team na Ilagan, sa system nila. So talagang, alam mo yun, talagang sa college, sa collegiate na laban nila na coach, talagang bakbakan. So talagang nag-prepare kami ng mahigpit kahapon. And And yun, nung huddle namin ng halftime, talagang sinabi ni coach na physically maglaro yung mga bata. So, wag lang kami mapipigon.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take